You've tried to save money 100 times. You tell yourself this month will be different, and somehow, it never is. Here's the real reason. Every few months, you get motivated. You set up a savings account. You promise yourself you'll stick to it this time. Then life happens. A bill comes up. Something breaks. You dip into savings just this once, then again. Then you stop trying altogether. Here's what no one tells you. The problem isn't discipline. It's not your income either. Plenty of high earners can't save. The problem is that saving feels like punishment. You're told to sacrifice everything now for some vague future you can't even picture. Retire at 65, build an emergency fund, save 6 months of expenses. It all sounds important, but none of it feels real, so you give up. You can't stay motivated for a goal you can't see. That's not a character flaw. That's human nature. The Finance Reset Toolkit fixes this. It makes saving visual. You set a goal. You see the progress bar. You watch it grow with every dollar. You see exactly when you'll hit your target. Not someday. A real date. 3 months from now? 6 months? A year? When you can see the finish line, everything changes. Saving stops feeling like sacrifice. It starts feeling like progress. That $50 you almost spent? Now you see what it does to your timeline. 2 weeks closer to your goal. The math makes the decision easy. The Finance Reset Toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and an interactive web app that simulates your financial future. Stop punishing yourself into saving. Start making progress you can actually see. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit today. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.